project. Ano na naman yan? Ha? Ito. Ito ay tinatawag na password security code. Meron itong password, ha? Oh. May mga ginamit tayong piyesa dito. 4017, decade counter, may mga capacitor, push button, resistor, mga pass switching diode, LED, capacitor. Okay? Ay, ano naman ang gamit niyan? Ito? Password ito. So, yung LED pula, yan ay power LED. Oh. Ba? At yung blue, output. Pag nahulaan mo yung password, 4 na digit. 4 na pindot. Iilaw yung blue LED. Oh, kaya siya tinawag na password security code. Paano yan? Ha? Oh, lagyan natin ng power para matesting natin. Gamitan natin ang adjustable power supply. Okay? 9 volts. Umilaw na yung LED. Yun, no? Diba? Yun, no? Power LED. Ano naman mangyayari dyan? Ay, huhulaan natin yung 4 na digit password. Pipindutin natin yung push button. Okay? Subukan natin yung maling code. 4 lang, ha? 4 na pindot. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi umilaw yung blue LED. Oh. Diba? Subukan natin yung tamang password. Okay? 1. Teka. Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Umilaw yung kulay blue LED. Diba? Yan ang tamang password na ginamit natin. 4 na number o digit o 4 na pindot. Ang reset niyan, para ma-reset yung password, ito dulo. Diba? Subukan natin na naman ang maling code. 4 na pindot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diba hindi umilaw? Mali yung password natin. Okay? Reset. At subukan na naman natin ang ating tamang password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Umilaw siya. Oh, tama yung password natin. Reset uli natin. So, ang ating password ay, since ito ay 9 na button, siya ay 10 button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 4 na digit yung password. Ang ating password ay 2. Reset muna. 2, 1, 8, 9. Diba? Umilaw yung LED, kulay blue. reset. Isa pa. 2189. Oh, yan ang password natin. Good day to everyone. This is our circuit diagram for our 4017 password security code. We are using CD4017BE IC. It is a decade counter. Okay? It has 16 pins. But here we are using only a few pins. The supply for the circuit is 9 volts BDD, referring to the voltage supply for this C-type, CMOS type IC. That's why it's BDD. This is D stands for drain for the CMOS type IC. So the supply is connected to pin number 16 and the ground is connected to pin number 8 of the IC. We also have this power LED connected to the pin number 16 directly to the battery with the current limiting resistor of 3.3K and the LED use is red. So this is the power LED, current limiting resistor 3.3K. To know that the circuit is on once we powering on the circuit connected to pin number 16. Pin number 15 is a reset pin and it is normally pulled down to the ground using a 100K resistor. So it needs a pull down resistor to function properly this IC to stabilize the circuit. And there's a switch 1 2 3 4 5 6 switches, okay, connected the other end to 16 pin number 16, which is the 9 volts, and the other end is all connected to pin number 16, also connected to the 100K. This is used as a reset pin for our code. Any of this button, when you press, it will reset the password. So since this is switch number 5 referring to number 3 of our keypad. 6, number 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, switch 9, 7, switch 10, 0. These are all dummy switches. They are fake or dummy switches. It only used as a reset button for the code. And then to the right side, we are using pin number 3247. Okay? Pin number 3247 is in sequence. Since this 4017B is a sequencer, we need to use this configuration 3247 pin. Okay? For in pin number 3 is connected the pass switching diode D3, which is 1N4148 pass switching diode, and then the button or the push button D2, D4, pin 2, D5, pin 4, 7, and all connected to the 100K, which is connected to the pin number 14. The other end of the switches is connected to the pin number 14. This pin number 14 is a clock. So once you press the button, you are injecting a clock to pin number 14. Normally, it is pulled down to the ground via 100K. We need this to ensure that the circuit will function properly. Okay. The other end connected is the each corresponding pass switching diode. Okay. This is now where we get our code. Since pin number 3, it is sequencer. Pin number 3 connected is the switch 1 and the diode. Switch 1 is 2. So that is the first code. When you press it, initially it is a logic high 1. It has a logic Y1. Once you press it, it will toggle into logic 0. Okay, pull down to the ground when you press it. And then the other switch, which is the other end, the other pin, will now going to be a logic 1. Once we press the switch of this pin number 3, it will become logic 1. And this pin number 3 will become logic 0. So it toggles from 1 to 0. Now pin number 2 is 1. Once we press the switch, it will toggle into 0, and then the pin number 4 becomes logic 1. When we press the switch, it becomes 0, and logic and pin number 7 becomes 1. When we press the switch, it becomes 0, and it all goes into the output after pressing the switch of this pin number 7, and the LED blue will turn on. So it has a sequence 3247. Since our code pin number 13, switch 1, 2. Pin number 2, switch 2, 1. Pin number 4, switch 3, 8. Pin number 7, switch 4, 9. So this is the password or the code, security code. Since they are in sequence, depends on the connection of this pin. So you need to use 3247 for the sequence 2189. Okay. The button, switch 1, which we are referring to as number 2. Switch 2, number 1. Switch 3, 8. Switch 4, 9. And the other buttons is a dummy button. All these button from switch 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will serve as a function. You're going to use this as a reset button for our password. So it is a sequencer. It has a sequence. When you press this, it will toggle from logic 1 to 0. It becomes 1 here. Then you press this, you toggle it to become 0. And then the next pin will become high. Pressing it, 0, then high. So it toggles from 0 to 1, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0. That is the function of this IC. It is a sequencer. You need to use this connection to make a password code. Okay, if you did not follow the sequence 3247 for the connection of each button, it will not function properly. So that is our 4017 password security code, using 4 digits as a password. Okay? 2189 is the password.